Yeah. I'm back, she says.
Oh, what's that? Stop to look at that. It's like,
Yeah.
I see fire. Yeah, that's a volcano.
Look at her, look at it.
It's like when we go camping with grandkids and we have their dog, right? She's in the camper.